Okay, math for lesson 90 is reducing fractions part 2 if you wanted to follow along in your book. These are just examples that are out of your book. Okay, so for the first one here, we're looking at 8/12. For doing all these, it's something we worked on 2 weeks ago as well. You want to find the greatest common factor. That's going to make it easier to reduce, and then you only have to reduce one time. So if you're looking at your first one here, 8/12, well, the greatest common factor is 4. So you just divide both of those by 4 and end up with 2/3. And then it's as simple as that. You just want to find the greatest common factor and working on practicing that, and then eventually you'll just begin to recognize common fractions that are easy to reduce in your head. Okay, here's your next one. Right, 4/12. Again, taking a look, what's the greatest common factor? Yes, they're both even. You could do 2, but if we're looking for the greatest common factor, we should be looking for 4. And again, divide them both by 4, and you end up with 1/3. So it's just getting used to this, being able to do this quicker, and eventually just recognizing what fractions reduce into what. Okay, another one here, 6/18. If we're looking again, both are even, so yes, you could reduce by 2. And then again by 3, or you can find the greatest common factor of both of these numbers, which is 6, and divide them both by 6, which would leave you with 1/3. Again, it's just getting more comfortable and practicing finding the greatest common factor. And your next one, 40/100ths, which would be the same as 40%. Greatest common factor of this, yeah, you could pick 2 or 20 would be a better choice. And if you divide them both by 20, you end up with 2/5. Okay, for your assignment, which is attached underneath this, you're going to have 1 through 30. You're going to do all of them on the sheet like we normally would in class. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you.